Today, I'm going to transform an ordinary, discarded box into a beautiful and elegant room decor piece. I started with a waste paint bucket that was just lying around the house. Now I have some extra straws in my crafting drawer. Now I want to use this. This gave the surface a really nice textured look, something most people would throw away. But with a little creativity, I turned it into something truly special. Next, I decorated it using straws, placing them in a pattern. One big, one small, one big, one small. From trash to treasure, this DIY is a perfect example of how you can create stunning decor with simple, everyday items. Now I give it a white surface, which is the symbol of kindness. Then came the magic touch, gold foil. I carefully added gold foil over the box. It looked like an expensive piece of home decor, and it instantly gave it a rich, luxurious feel, which added softness and beauty to the whole piece. To complete the look, I placed some white roses inside. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative ideas.